So what? Yeah, it sounds just about right. It sounds like us, that one. So we're here at church. I'm a churchgoer. Everybody is doing their things.
Hi, Ramsey!
What's up, man?
How are you?
I'm chilling.
You look pretty, by the way.
Really?
Hey.
I feel pretty.
You smell nice too.
I always don't. If I
Like my father.
anyways, so yeah, church. We're about to go hiking soon. I should be having boots on. I got these. So dirty. I need a mic. Like somewhere here. Hello guys. Welcome back to Ramsey's channel.
Hope you're good. We're going for hiking.
If I mic, you know, like
And we're gonna have picnic and Bible study. It's your goal, Emile. Nabali, Instagram, IG.
Oh, it's the lights in here. Oh, no, come on. Oh. I need a new haircut, guys.
No, your hair is fine.
Donate. My subscribers must donate. Aish, man, wa hiking gajin. Oh, mara still jo. Wana attire ya hiking, we won.
Oh, get color blue, Emile. Hi, Tom.
Okay.
Alright.
But you should get ready picnic next. Please shut up with that one. This one says smell like fire. Okay, so we're gonna have the picnic by the mountains now. Picnic by the mountains. Yeah, I'll keep y'all posted. Catch us by the mountains, yeah.
Can't let go. What you want to do for love, everything only you made me do. No más escuchar mi avispa, reaching up to the sea, 'cause I'm sagas with you.
What's it penny now? Oh, people outside. If you die, you die, my man.
That's all I can say. Did I smoke weed?
I'm not going to tell your mother that. I'm not going to tell your mother that. Some mountain babies. Yo, this view is insane. Thank you so much. Yo, this paper is not. It's not cooperate. This wind is not cooperate. We're here now. We made it. Somebody was scared they're going to die. Where is she? She survived. She survived. Yana. Ya plastic wa letsatsi. Letsatsi. Now to her at the sparkling water. Hey, naratla base exchange. Mara go tla milo phatsime mama. Gore go bontsha gore ya playile. Yeah.
It's not doing the deeds.
Kapag yun ang fanag.
Pero kung saan wala ko rin na baka ka di brass di kopa. Camila umentay this watch.
Sa di boke vibe.
Here come the book. Ay solo ba win ne. Mare bo bika bo ba wala sa mo. Kasi jaga mo malalo sa mo malalo.
The old one.
O karo kan namu su bo namu.
Wait mo. Dali do na ka so boni ka so ka wa pere. Ada mo pinky yo. Una le dinza. Akipi wa ya re nna. E mafura.
Dali di oil mo fela. I need to practice.
Continue practice.
Sama lu si akla festival. Ah, ano naman disappoint tangan.
No. So there's 4 teams, 3 teams. It's red, it's yellow, it's blue, and it's black.
And it's green.
And it's green, so it's 5 teams. 5 teams, sorry. So yeah. Yes.
You go to need papers anyway for the Bible study. Papers.
Can I learn 72 pages? I can show.
Uncle is thank you, Mrs. Scriber. Thank you. Laat ons gaan by die gannings. Ons nou gaan. Ons trappies van die wat so goed. Abajo, e batla jointe. Ai, batla jointe jo.
15 minutes later.
Ja. Semperada. Ja. Next time mina namela udikhawa nalentogeleng. I can't wait to finish. amazing.
Much later.
Hey. No, Marajo, I've been walking for over an hour now. And I still don't see like go off Alante. So tiring. Is that a tattoo? Okay, it's not a tattoo. It's a Bible.
Descriptions that we have read from. Some of them were built Nelidi Hanka, some of them were handsome and the likes. But the description given of them, they were not the chosen ones for the anointment of being a king. Now, after a scrutiny that Samuel did on each and every one of them, the next question that Samuel asked was, are these the only children that you have in your house? Then Samuel's description of David is the one that I want us to look at. The double lenses glasses. He describes David as nothing.
Yeah, so we just took a break there, did like a young Bible study. Yeah, Muruti had us in our feelings, Intense. I had no lighter. I found a guy with a lighter, but he passed. So now I'm chasing him because I really need some weed. So yeah, hopefully I catch him. I think I see him. Hopefully I catch him.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So we've been walking 4 years, 4 years, 2 months, and my hat fell. It's so dirty now. I don't even want to wear it anymore. So I finally. Man! Vloggy, say hi to my 97 subscribers.
Yeah, it's me, Cozy is up in the spot. You know how it be. Just man, we're Ramsey.
Yeah, talk to my subscribers.
Man, I'm with my boy Ramsey here. You doing the things?
Yes.
I'm excited. I'm not clean.
Yeah, it's inside now, Pagati. Yo. Strong. So yeah, it's child. It's been over 2 hours. 3 hours. It's a bag. How was the hiking trip, guys? How was the trail?
It was nice.
It was nice.
Yeah.
Not tiring.
No, not really. We want to do it
Again. Yo,
I actually
intense.
liked it.
Really? Rawok. We're going that way. We're walking, guys. Walking. For the whole year. For the whole year.
Digest. I'm trying to digest. Like what? That's crazy.
How far is where we're going?
2 seconds from here.
2 seconds.
Sure.
1,
We must start counting.
2. But we must walk after long trail. No.
How many hours?
3 hours. I think it's too much. Fruits! Salty fruits! It's healthy, this orange. Yes! Man! Hey man! Majid! Man, the hiking, you just come from hiking, now you're going to work, man.
Going to work, man. The crash is all even. Other one is coming. It's a nice life, this one.
It's nice life, you're going to work now. Just climb up mountain, come back. Man, that trail was long, man.
They say 5 kilometers.
Man, they're lying, it's 23. I counted before.
You can't wait for you.
Double lying. Long time I say come to church, you don't want.
I'm gonna come to church next time.
I don't
know what happened, dog.
Thing, but I don't know where that is. Somewhere.
Yeah. With the store and performing.
Oh my nigga.
Let's go out there, man.
Oh, like.
Yes, man. It's YouTube. Say hello to my 97 subscribers.
Hi to my 100,000 subscribers.
Hey, stop, boy!